draw a super cute bunny holding an Easter egg for Easter. So we're going to start off by drawing its ears because they're quite long. We're going to draw up and down. And do the same for the other side. Kind of like when you hold up your fingers like this. Alright, then we're going to draw the inner pink side of the ears. The inside of the ears. Right, now draw a big face. And draw some big eyes. And I'm gonna give it some real cute eyes. So we're gonna start here and draw a little tongue shape. And do the same on the other side. And draw a big circle and a smaller one, a big circle and a smaller one. And color the rest of it in. Alright, now I'm going to go on the sides. To erase mine. Okay, it already looks super cute with those humongous cute eyes. We're going to draw a heart and put a line through it. And a little mouth. Okay, we're going to have it open. And I don't know if you can make it, but draw some teeth. Alright, so we're going to go down a little bit from its neck and have arms that twist like this. And do that on this other side. Alright, it's going to be holding an Easter egg like I said. So we're going to draw the round egg. And then imagine it going through and there's an egg shape. Alright, now, Easter eggs are full of different kinds of patterns on them. So we're going to draw a line here on the top. And the little dots. Right now we're gonna start from here and do a zigzag. Now we don't want that touching there because we're going to do it thick. Go over it. And then we're gonna have another line and have hearts in it. And draw a line because we're going to separate these with lines. And we'll repeat this pattern. Now, if you're having trouble with the arms here and how they're getting in your way, you can do a half circle as if the arm was going around it, above it, and then you can go through it. Okay, for me, I want to do a little design on the bottom. It's up to you of what you want to do, but I'm going to do 3 heart flowers. All right, now we're going to have this bunny sitting crisscross. So we're going to draw the lines down. If you don't have room, you don't need to do so. And then we're gonna have the legs come out. Now, mine's a little floppy, so I'm going to erase that part and give it better legs. And do the same on the other side. Now, this bunny has just gone on an egg hunt for Easter. So we're going to have some little eggs here. So some are going to be cracked, so draw this little shape there. And have it open. And stick a little chocolate in there. Okay. Now we're going to draw an egg that has not been cracked yet. And you can draw more of those, and if you want, you can draw whatever kind of pattern you want in there. So we can stick some more candy in that one. And we're going to have ones that are cracked open but don't have any candy in them. And how many of those we make, how many wrappers we put down here. So let's make one. This little leaf drawing. Okay, so we had one cracked open one that does not have candy in there. So we're going to draw a little candy here. Candy wrapper. And that area is where it got teared. Alright, and we're going to draw another cut open one. Does not have candy in there. And draw another wrapper. Now this one, I'm going to have it be a circle. This one's just going to have a little tear in there. And we're done. So we're going to write the name of this. You can choose to write bunny or bunny rabbit. Or just rabbit. I'm just going to do bunny rabbit. So you can do bunny rabbit or just, it'll do it'll show you. So, bunny rabbit.